I hear Kojo Sheldon is chasing someone. Director, if you have that letter, you can put it on the screen for me to read as well. Oh no, not this one, not this one, not this one. I'm talking about the letter from KSS Studio, where they are saying a gentleman, I think his name was 90 degrees.
Yes, 90 degrees.
90 degrees has said something defamatory about them, and because of that, they are chasing them legally. They are chasing them to come and retract, or if they don't retract, there will be other penalties that they are likely to face. As I talk to you, many Shatter Movement fans are solidly behind 90 degrees, and I don't know why they are solidly behind him. The law is the law. So let's see what the issues are. Let's see what is in it, and after that, we will also share our own. Chebo, so Chebo, be on standby for this as well. Send your lawyer ma or Dobrini China, your lawyer ma Shatter Movement for 90 degrees or so. Tipato Chebo, director, producer. Get Chemo on standby on this topic as well. We will get Chemo's opinion as well. Now, director, if it is ready, to go fatuana, yankin kind sem na share dear Kojo Sheldon in the team, Yankee Dom. Come to say. Okay, so I hear the law firm representing Kojo Sheldon. They are called Blackwood.
Yeah.
Barristers, solicitors, and advocates. Yeah. Blackwood. I like their name, Blackwood.
Yeah.
And
yes,
this number, this letter was released 25th November, and it is going to 90 degrees on X, formerly Twitter, Fadama Accra, and read the letter now. See, DSA, demand for retraction and apology. Now, what are we talking about? Listen, pay attention, and let's see what Kojo Sheldon is looking for. We act as solicitors for Bernard Kwajo Amoafu at Kwajo Sheldon on X, on whose instructions we write to you on the above subject matter. Our client informs us that you have made numerous malicious posts on X, formerly Twitter, using your account 90 degrees. In a post made on 24th November 2025, you allege that our client was caught performing a sexual act on a co-worker and was using the Ghana Police Service to threaten another employee. This post had 310,000 views at the time of writing this demand notice. The import of the above stated post is that our client is a person of loose morals, unable to draw the line between a professional and personal relationship. It is also made to suggest that our client uses his position in the workplace to coerce his subordinate to accede to his sexual whims and caprices. The tweet is also made to suggest that our client is influence peddling and is using this influence to threaten other persons. Our client informs us that there is no iota of proof in this post and was actuated by malice and made purposely to lower his standing before right-thinking members of society. These posts have negatively affected our client's image and the brand of his studio, KSS Studios, which he has tirelessly worked to build over the last few years. As if that was not enough, you have that made various posts about our client, attacking his business acumen, his physical appearance, and even the paternity of his child. We have our client's instructions to demand that you cease making any further posts concerning our client and delete all existing posts concerning our client within 24 hours of receiving this notice. We have further instructions to demand that you retract the statements made in the post made 24th November 2025 and publish an unreserved apology to our client for publishing these false statements within 24 hours of receiving this notice. Should you fail to comply with this demand within 24 hours, we have further instructions to commence an action against you for defamation, punitive damages, and solicitors' costs. Be thus advised. Yours faithfully, Kuchuro, Kwicho. Kwabna Frimpon Mesa Esquire. And we copied this one to Bernard Kwadwo Amuafo. So that is Kwadwo Sheldon's name. Bernard Kwadwo Amuafo. Now this has really hit the internet, and followers of 90 Degrees and especially some ardent followers of Shatter Movement fans are also saying here. Anyhow. Kwadwo Sheldon with your mama for the Mawakakra. Otiko pie, long job this year.
Your popo has pie.
Your marker cry, your popo has pie. O say you want apology, and somehow working our mouth for home. Why the bed did you for apology? If you say, oh, way, and you who say, if you say, hey. Blackwood for the Mundia grow. And the mouth warning say ya, last warning say ya,
last one.
Also 2 and more. Now, 90 Degrees was okay. Twitter page and the X page. Still on Paba.
Try no
Go sutro. That amoko penny send me after letter ne buy no ne fire now to do the moko for bibra. Na ye shena ye ni unkomo say. Come on, ebedi ni saying. Ro. How are we doing this conversation?
Come on, very funny and interesting because when this whole thing started, I mean, we all know where it started from, especially Sam Komowe. The every conversation he was facing him. So in that, when the lady was attacking the followers of Shatawale, including Shatawale himself, that is when these guys also decided to also go after her one way or the other. So as for allegations, Nadia, this particular guy, which is 90 Degrees, Nadia, what make it be? Okay. Plenty. And
you also want to treat them as allegations?
Oh, yes, of course.
Okay.
Plenty. Because, you know, it is, like I said, an allegation, a conversation, a accept na waka.
Yeah.
As to whether it is true or not.
Yeah.
And even checking in Komumua, some of them, he was very blunt to say, okay, obi ne kachere no. Or somebody close to source is informing him or giving him information.
Okay.
Into some of them, he withheld some of the names. Others, he also held, like he also voiced some of them out or gave some of them out. But yeah, me finding the interesting was in Komo with who say,
okay.
When say guy so say minim say ono natural letter no, say obi natural man no.
Guy
90 Degrees, you know.
I don't actual letter.
Also actual letter that letter.
I respond the way. Hey, but I'm more letter than mommy.
Nediano was when Kwadwo Sheldon also posted his picture.
Okay.
His pictures and another bounty of 10K. Etu ni tiso say or hwehwe sa branti. So whoever finds him ebenya a reward of 10K. But Kwadwo Sheldon later ebi delete post no. Until later no so 90 Degrees wa tro no. Suggest say or so feel threatened.
Say Kwadwo Sheldon the 10K bounty.
Atuniti so.
But Kwadwo Sheldon delete
post no.
But what me capture?
Ghana Screenshoters Association. Say shishra.
Oh, Patribai.
Say shishra.
Hey.
Say shishra. So for me, whatever Kwadwo Sheldon community, the guy has made allegations, and you think it is not true. Well, for process no of it is very normal for everybody to go through that process. But to get what you are looking for, a different conversation. To get what you are looking for technically, a different conversation. You are saying a friend saying, "Akoya o Dubai, forex trader, Kwadwo Forex.
Kwadwo Forex, yeah.
Issue bongo ideas for defamation.
Yeah.
Odifo, ba akosi saying.
Ontia de.
And not in a food distribution now way.
Ontia de.
Yes, so when. Why did the political seat not the football news? Where did he have me say peche? Where did he have me say peche? So the TN said defamation case there, a very, very technical. And Ushe, your friend is saying, could you share the mo omelette and imna? about you. Has you say these posts have negatively affected our client's image and the brand of his studio, KSS Studios.
Okay.
You see, suing somebody for defamation is one thing, and proving the effect of the defamation is also another thing. You can sue, but to prove the effect, say ebia because of a seminar kan no amasisi a wo penkrofo mba be ye djuma wo ho eyedin and now say oh there were some clients bi or no mo gidie bi wo mu because of that, or business partners bi o mo gidie bi wo mu. After these conversation they have withdrawn and ana ebia across even into a financial loss. That if you are able to prove all these things, that is when you will be able to hold this guy by the balls. Okay. Else, it will be very difficult for you to drag him to court, especially when also are committee in this regard. Okay. So now, like he also said, I think the letter, no, I saw the letter.
That 90 degrees letter. I'm about to mention na yanking kind also. Na yanko enim because I'm saying come on, AI interesting. Okay, letter in. Hey, yes, got it. Also, to the Caswa for the
Caswa for
the Sheldon, and so also share letter now. Formula now, on X, formerly Twitter, Caswa Central. 28th November, I said to better I speak on behalf of Justice Nana Kwesi Mensah.
You speak as who? You speak as who? You speak as who? Where's your You speak as who?
No, on behalf.
You speak as who and what?
I speak on behalf of Justice Nana Kwesi Mensah, who has been threatened and harassed on X, formerly Twitter, as a result of your unapproved posting of the unapproved posting of their photos. We will defend. I think we will defend my client's rights and treat this issue seriously. My client's security has been violated by the unapproved sharing of their photos, which has resulted in threats. We require written confirmation of the removal from you. We require written confirmation of the removal from you. We will take legal measures, including filing a complaint with X, formerly Twitter, and seeking damages. If you don't seek cooperation, one regards. Hey, let me free here.
Let me free. 90 degrees is about
90 degrees solicitors.
Solicitors and wait. When you advocate, when defenders, 90 degrees.
My name, 90 degrees solicitors
and defenders.
So this one congestion actually posted that. Also, these are his pictures. If you know his whereabouts, I have 10K on the table for you. Peace out. I see. Wow. You see, 90 degrees solicitors for responding.
And defenders, the count. Obviously, we will defend our clients. Solicitors and defenders.
Shut up, man, to go for. Oh, we are hard. It's your mouth. My online.
Oh, what's your name?
Where we Achidundu. Achidundu, my own lawyer.
Where's your lawyer? I'm
my own lawyer. Achidundu. Achidundu, my own lawyer. I speak on behalf of justice. Who?
You speak as who and what?
We will defend. We will defend my client.
And you know, well, you're the dumb never.
Oh, the academy coaching more than we could.
You see, the thing is that.
But I have something to say about this, especially to Coach Sheldon.
The thing is that I feel they are committing themselves in one way or the other. and I don't have a strong feeling about this case.
Okay.
Because aside what the guy probably might have said to Kojo Sheldon, Kojo Sheldon has also said certain things like Kojo Sheldon or X there no 5 and 6. We obey you attempts is here, and that is how the conversation is. So like the guy also said in his write-up, and now solicitors no echo or write-up in him. He also feel kind of abused or even threatened with the pictures now Kojo Sheldon they posting. Okay. But then he also has the responsibility of proving say whatever Kojo Sheldon you know any effect be one so. It is not just about you writing a letter or it is not just about you saying say we posting the picture so I feel threatened. Obi can asem a public domain. Okay. But then the intention behind Kojo Sheldon like posting and the bounty that he added to it, you know, is what will differentiate what one kasa will posti and in your new posti. Okay. And then the best sound common. So for me, I think say yes, case here. So be one of those hollow cases, maybe no. Other than that, I am looking at how both of them will be able to prove the effect of the on them. Okay. Or on them as individuals or even as brands. Okay. That's what me I feel.
Okay, let me go to Intidosu Digital Solution and Intidosu Chambers. Na lawyer Intimo Hona Imisane say this year na kaswa for astarte extra Yabo 90 degrees solicitors and defendants. Omar replied to a Blackwood. Chabo, so come on, is you doing saying? Come on, is you doing saying?
Interesting, and I think the value of it is to, I mean, how do I put it? It's a way of I don't know the English word I will use, but you are threatening something. You are putting fear in somebody. Okay. Okay. I know now Kojo Sheldon try to obey, but I think a backfire. Aquano insurusa. 90 degrees solicitors, no. They are not afraid of because as we are talking now, no, Kojo Sheldon and court. He was just trying to alert the guy say when this is an answer so metro apology for what he has done or the Liverpool court. So as we speak now, it is not in court. They have not filed for any court issue. Yeah. So the guy, you know, at this point, you know, only court battle we are in. Everything I'm making fun of what is happening. No, I don't just say watch all letter. So for me, I think that Kojo Sheldon and his legal team were just trying to put some fear in the guy.
They wanted to put the fear of God in 90 degrees.
Yes, and unfortunately, it didn't work out because the guy is not afraid based on how as we're increasing, and still are all fire. But me, I'll advise the guy say, in fact, even if the case is not strong to then to put you down or anything like that, it is still better you don't feel what has happened already. Okay. I mean, just stay calm, stay cool, and let the crowd men feeling men children, say, oh, be to say the now. As I was saying, who know now? Africa now, all man in a stronger case if he decides to take you on. But or try and can feel one country. Case, you know, on the face value, no, I think say a new merit or form. You can't just claim say Obi I can be to so you know amount of value call form, amount of form. Like Roland said, you have to prove beyond reasonable doubt. You can't just claim say you are hurt to say and then be betting the candidate upon me announce the example. Okay. And announce the no the arm one or court and say well to me improve and your man no say candidate upon statement no no yeah well to me improving you know court na na ka say the why you cry the be fans I am $500 be man never go to kusia bidi And legal fees are what you are near that the negotiation can open.
Yeah.
Into a bus, still, it will look like one Lucy case, you know. And then again, the reference to the Bongo Ideas case. When you are suing somebody in a defamation case, first of all, you have to look at the person and say, oh, BB Kranson. And yes, I'll say, you can get a judgment, but when you're showing film, the almost BB say a whole victory. I said, when you victory, a muyo, toko them, all the Asia, because guy no only no worship no akwaji. And you know, say, oh yeah, say yeah, it's like what's the in the first place. To me, obi beat say, yeah, Safu Anthony and Asamoah case. Or no, only who be no crash. The idea Safu Anthony go through to get to the point I be obey me no bibi. And easy. And you know, or no cry pony. Na obi a oni no hwe ya na say onim say oni no hwe unless if you are the Sheldon onim the guy in a way that we don't know. Okay. Because onim say oni no hwe, there's no need to do that. And the better approach will be that over file bibi e man a criminal, not rather a civil case. The criminal case will be say ebia okan sa nti amaye tata ama BBSC ebia bullying be like you can use some technicalities and see say no benefit o na fit just ignore because after all just insulting somebody is not a criminal offense and you cannot charge anybody for insulting you unless you are using the other ways to do things. I mean, and you know, anyway. And you know, the American in this case, and say, because Sheldon, as on one didn't want to say almost and the guy is taking advantage of that and laughing at him. And for me, when it comes to America, let's ignore this area. Over to me, I can be a cabinet. Ultimately, cabin there, any German. And you said, Omudia Shatawale, I do baby, and Kobukas and Brass, and we take them to court, Brass and one. Sammy Pana, the local court. So, you know, you are just going to waste your time.
Exactly. And Shatawale is going to be for 100,000, 200,000.
And the legal fee cry say.
The legal fee cry say, yes.
Cry say, lawyer no bet saying, and no no could not say every nipano.
Yeah.
And the course our angle now, sell me. Into the best way is a obet me the dinner panatama, also didn't be. So I want to mean the dinner thing be there, and I net now baby, sir, that the iron. And this other thing, the way there, because the Sheldon and his legal team, I think it's like they brought themselves for people to ridicule them. And 90-degree defenders are not taking kind to it at all. They are really cooking.
90-degree solicitors and defenders.
They are cooking.
All right, Chamu, thank you for talking to us. Well, Roland, I told you I want to say something about this Sheldon saga before I move on to maybe the last topic. It's Friday, we have to close early for the next show to come on. You see, most of the people having platforms and talking anyhow, you know what they are doing? They are teaching people how to do it.
Of course.
So when they come and they do it to them, they should mellow the crying. I'm not saying they should stop crying. No. They should cry, but they should mellow it. Because see those guys, they are telling you those things because they also hear some things you say about others. Unfortunately.
Well. You see?
And many people who have platforms, guys, this is what you guys are teaching them. When we are here and we are measured on what we say, it is not because we are scared of anybody.
There be that.
We are not scared of anybody.
There be that.
But we only want to respect ourselves and those who are watching us because how we do it, somebody can watch it and do the same. Even we are not doing the crown photo. They are doing it. And now you are showing them you can do it. So the boy will get the energy to say those things to you because he watches you. He sees you saying all. I'm sure when you had your issue with Shatawale, You said this.
Oh,
and chapter 1 is mother this.
Oh, of course.
That.
And I uplift people. You bring people down.
Exactly. You see? So when you start saying this, you are teaching them how to say it. So when they do it to you, mellow your crying. That's what I want to say.
Interestingly, Sheldon himself has admitted to this conversation.
Thank you.
When him in the interview with KSM,
yeah,
he admitted to this. Say, Edru baby, after the one can say who said no. Niamana na oye in the past, no. Ono who said no, Edru baby, no, Omu did the same thing, you know.
Thank you.
I remember there was one guy who also created a platform. In fact, his graphics, his everything was very similar to Coach Sheldon. Very similar. And because of that, Onega Bantabi on social media, you know, calling the guy out, said the guy is copying him near the other. The guy did not spare him. It was boot for boot, back to back. And in that period, no,
okay.
The guy really cooked him. It was back to back. It was back to back. So you see, and any idea, some people don't understand. You see, recently, even with the mentioning of PR I hope say who comment even on social media, amanphobia concerned say sisi ankrofo no mpo amanfo point yes say for mpo ye point you in certain positions na crown mpo no are people that as a ye breed you from insult media kind of angle as a one anye din untimi nkike bi nkyere obi untimi ndidi obi atemo a wo certain positions bi wo kra ye ma obi ana say attention bi wo ho mpo a wunya because look at say Eri, she's been in the space for some time.
Okay.
How many times now who's so okay? But I've seen her on Despite Media. She goes to present like normal news, maybe entertainment tidbits. No, I call presenting no call. But when this issue happened, check the number of your friends say media platforms of granting interview. It was back to back to back to back to back to back to back. And so many people were concerned, say, so if this is what we want to trumpet, these are the things we want to trumpet, then why wouldn't baby papa ignore? And it is the same thing I work on. You see the boys that are on there, it is just like Bongo Ideas, Becca just said, Twitter there, it is a different word.
Yeah.
It is because the people like Sheldon more other guys, no, that is what they are breeding. That is what they are telling the people. Say, I had the upper
that's all I wanted to say about this case.
You
are teaching the people how to do it. They will do it to you.
And
what can I call Blackwood is here?
Say when they are giving a little dose, no move almost like they are crime victim.
Yeah.
It is the same way with Salima and Eri in conversation. You see, Salima, when the lady said, Shatter fans someone more to bomb. People treated it as your no opinion. You, Saliman, you also made a statement. You also say your opinion. When the lady came to say they are all say your opinion, and you're not creating a misrepresentation. Hey,
your pompo has spy.
Your pompo has spy. The lady doesn't have the right to tell you. Say you are misrepresenting people or misrepresenting the situation. The lady doesn't have the right, but you think you have the right to lie to people, to go and tell people, say you have credible information, say because of Iyoko, Shatter did your friend Iyoko for na catch Shatter say onye Shatter first. But you can sit on your platform to tell people, say you have information, say almost say like Shatter movement name medical said that and almost setting lady ni up just
and you say with confidence.
You say with confidence. But when she came to tell you say trono, oh yeah, what's a young cartina over walking off. The irony of life.
Yes. A better bias. It's a mocan, it's a mofiano.
Basha mofiano.
Obia bedroom biaso.